Okay, in the Heathcote Garden, I noticed that they have a lot of little gardening tools, and I like this one. It looked more like the way that the secateurs used to be. It's a set of secateur and gardening knife, so I'm now going to open it and just test it. Okay, now I've opened it. This is the knife. Chopper knife with a rubber handle. Looks quite sharp. It's like a scythe. And this is the secateur. Okay, the secateur is fixed with the screw, so I will open it. Okay, I have removed the screw, and hopefully this will come out now. Oh, I like that. There's a latch. Feels quite strong. This looks like the one that when I was a kid we used to have, and that lasted forever. The secateurs nowadays don't last. This is solid. Anyway, we will see how it will last.